Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to convert JSON to CSV with ChatGPT. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do for you to be able to convert JSON to CSV using ChatGPT is to create your account here. All right? If you haven't already, this is the perfect time for you to do it. Click this button. And of course, you can continue using the following options: Google, Microsoft account, or Apple. I'm going to be using Google. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, once you are logged in, for example, you have asked GPT on how to convert JSON to CSV. You see, it'll give you an indefinite answer. All right. But this is not what we are looking for. If you are not familiar what JSON is, basically it stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a lightweight format for storing and transporting data. It's often used when data is sent from a server to a web page. It's self-describing and easy to understand. Of course, these are going to be some examples for JSON. All right? And what we're going to do is switch back to the ChatGPT. Now instead, what we need to do is to build a list of a predefined set of data. For example, I'm gonna type in list, maybe 5 UK cities with capital. All right, well, we're gonna start from there. Press enter. And let's see if we can get an answer. As you can see, from here, just wait for it to load. And then, now the next thing that you need to do is type in convert into JSON. And wait for it to give an answer. And this is going to be the output. Okay? Once you're happy with that, just wait for it. The next thing that we're going to do is type in convert it to CSV. And of course, you can now copy this data into a CSV file by copying the code here. I'm gonna copy this one and switch over to my Google Sheets, or depending on your platform, you might be using Microsoft Excel or maybe Google Sheets, depending on what you wanted to do. All right. Now, this is the specific file that I'm working with. I'm going to copy the converted JSON list to ChatGPT. As you can see, that's that. Or, of course, you can put in as much information as you can. And once I'm happy with this, all I have to do is I have too many options here in Google Sheets. All right, because this is going to be a CSV file. I can download this, okay, to a CSV, a comma, separated values, or a Microsoft XLS. All right, depending on your criteria. In this case, once you have integrated the CSV from the converted file to JSON using the ChatGPT, because converting the JSON to CSV makes the data more usable, portable, and efficient for many practical purposes, because it allows for quick adjustments and the ability to handle complex JSON transformations in real time. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.